So what's good? What's good, man? It's your boy OG Griffin, man. So the YSL trial had been postponed to July of August due to the fact that they don't have a jury in place to represent the trial. The full jury might not come until the end of the year or the first of next year. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get right into it right after this intro. Hit it. Yo, what up, Rush? Your boy, OG Griffin, man. Back again with a video update. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post bell notification so you can get all the videos that I'm dropping. So that's what's up. So check me out. Here's the newscast in Fulton County talking about the YSL trial. Let's jump right into it. In my take right afterwards. Hit it.
Longest criminal trial in Fulton County history. We have now entered the third month of jury selection, and the trial itself is expected to take at least 9 months.
And that time commitment could pose serious issues with who actually ends up on this jury. 11 Alive's Bobeth Yates is live at the courthouse now.
Well, there were yet another day of delays today with trial, which was supposed to start at noon, didn't start until 2 o'clock. And those delays are adding up, adding to the process, which was already long and making national headlines as officials try to get a jury seated.
They've charged them under the RICO Act, and so they're all connected. It's like a circle. Everybody's connected, all part of the same scheme, all part of the same conspiracy. And so, you don't want to have to do that, every single time for every single defendant.
Former DeKalb County District Attorney Robert James says trying multiple defendants at the same time, like Fulton County prosecutors are in the YSL trial, is done out of necessity.
It's like a puzzle, right? If you're looking at a puzzle and a lot of the pieces are missing, you don't really get the full picture. And what the prosecution wants is for the jury to get the full picture.
14 defendants are standing trial, including rapper Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams. They're accused of using Williams' YSL record label to run a gang. Hundreds of witnesses are expected to testify, and prosecutors are trying the defendants at the same time. So witnesses won't have to be called back repeatedly. But the trial is expected to be the longest in Fulton County's history, and seating a jury is a major challenge.
A lot of people are being asked to set aside, 6 to 9 months of their lives, and there isn't a large group of people with a day-to-day lifestyle that can accommodate that.
3 months in, the judge is still reviewing jury hardship claims, which could run till July, and attorneys still have to narrow down the pool after that, likely pushing opening arguments to fall.
It's especially a big deal given that, my client doesn't have a bond. None of the defendants have a bond, and so that's just every day that goes by, I feel like we're being punished unnecessarily.
There's also concerns about manpower and the financial toll.
By the time this is done, I don't know how many millions of dollars will have been spent, that could have gone to social programs and actual issues in the community.
It's expensive in terms of how much money it costs, in terms of taxpayer dollars. It's expensive in terms of if you're the DA, and I've had to do it before, you have to move resources from one area of your office to the other area of your office, so there are other areas that may not get the attention that it would ordinarily get. And it's also expensive just in terms of the toll on you psychologically and physically.
Yeah, Bobeth, the big question tonight, is all of this worth it?
Well, it depends on who you ask. Now, the defense attorney that I spoke to says no, that the defendants should have been tried separately. But the former DA says based on the crimes these defendants are charged with, yes. And they say justice is always worth it.
See what I mean? See what I'm saying? So, let's jump right into it, man. Let's jump right into it. You know what I'm saying? So, Young Thug is trial has been delayed due to the fact that they can't get a jury. So this is my take on the whole Young Thug trial. I think it's full of cow manure. The reason why I think it's full of cow manure, because simply the fact that the folks that took pleas is out on bond, and they out. And they ain't got to worry about their trial date because they already done took their pleas. So you got Young Thug facing the same charges they were facing and can't even get a bond. So if it was so difficult and it's so criminally that these guys was charged with what they was charged with, they already took pleas. And Young Thug can't even get a bond due to the fact to his hearing or his trial get ready. So that's how I think it's full of cow manure, man, because if the district attorney of Atlanta think this case was so violent and think this case was so criminally, why is the fact that, you know what I'm saying, the YSL defendants took their pleas and all got released on the fact that they took pleas, and they ain't even facing a trial date. They took 10 years probation, 10 years parole, 5 years house arrest. They took some big boy pleas. And Young Thug was just like, nah, I'm going to take it to trial. If Young Thug going to take this to trial, at least get a man a bond. You know what I'm saying? That's how I think it's full of whatever I think it's full of. Man can't even get a bond. And they're not even ready to go to trial till like the middle of the year or the first of next year. So I think it's really, you know what I'm saying, it's messed up. And I also think due to the fact that why it's so messed up, the jury don't want to mess with this. It's a high profile case. And like my man said, they trying to paint a picture with a puzzle. And they ain't got all the pieces together. When you get all the pieces together to a puzzle, you know what you're looking at. They have no idea what in the world they're looking at. They just trying to piece something together. And it's literally, you know what I'm saying, not right due to the fact that the ones that's still involved and still fighting their charges and still fighting their case, they got to wait to go to trial to be heard. And just instead that the judge be like, you know what, well, we got to take this long for a jury. Let's let these guys out on house arrest until their trial date starts. That's all I'm saying, man. This is a really, really messed up case going on with the YSL. But like I said, it's going to be really interesting to see how this turn out and see how it's play out. It's no fact of the matter that Young Thug still facing or still in the Fulton County facing the trial date, and the trial won't even get started till the end of the year or the first next year because they ain't even got a jury in place. This thing gonna prolong for months, and they still won't even get this guy a bond. So it's really messed up, man, on the prosecutor side. And the defense really need to address that like they already have been addressing it. But the judge don't even see the fact that this guy really need to get a bond to the fact that till the trial date start, man. So I'm just bringing it to you, man. And you know what I'm saying? This is what I got on it. You know what I'm saying? This is my take on the situation that the Young Thug waiting to go to trial, waiting to get a jury to start his trial. Ain't even got the first jury to start his trial. So it's kind of really like messed up. You know what I'm saying? It's really messed up. But, you know, it is what it is, man. That's Atlanta, Georgia for you. It's Fulton County for you. You know what I'm saying? Free Young Thug. That's my take on it. Free Young Thug. Regardless the fact that, you know, what he did or what he didn't do. It's just y'all ain't got the evidence to charge this man with anything. Y'all piecing stuff together as days and months go by. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just trying to piece something together. You ain't even got the full blueprint to charge this man with anything. But the ones that was really in his case and have been charged with the same thing he's charged with is already took pleas. Because he didn't take a plea? You can't give him a bond? Yeah, it's kind of really messed up, man. So I just wanted to bring that to y'all's attention, man. Let y'all know what's going on with the YSL case. You know what I'm saying? So hit the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Share the video. Get the video in the algorithm, man. Hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm being shadow banned by YouTube or what the case may be. Hit the like button if you don't do anything else. Hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. OG Griffin, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, hit the like button. I'm out. Peace.